This video shows how SimplyEasier Payments is integrated with JenesisClassic. After you sign up with SimplyEasier Payments, they will email you a key. Once you have that key, you're going to want to call Genesis and let us know that you are going to be set up for SimplyEasier Payments, and we'll turn that feature on for you. Now, once that feature is turned on, all you have to do is go to your J links, which is Control W, and you're going to put in SimplyEasier Payments. You don't have to put a user or agency code. You're going to drop that key that they sent you via email right in there. You really don't have to have a password. In fact, I think I just typed in password. And then you're going to put the web address for SimplyEasier Payments here. Okay, once you have that put in, you can go to a client. I'll show you how this works. I'm going to go to a client and make a payment. The first thing I want to do is go down to New Receipt, and this is going to be a credit card to agency. We'll say that it's for new business, and so they owe $225. So what I'm going to do is, in the amount tendered down here, as you can see, that online credit card lit up after I clicked in the amount tendered. I'm going to click the online credit card. It takes you straight to SimplyEasier Payments. Put in your payment amount plus the $4.95 service fee that is charged to the customer, not the agency. And you have to agree. And you'll enter their credit card information, their billing information that goes with the credit card that they are using. They'll even text the receipt to the client for you. You can click that there, put in their phone number, and then hit next. Okay, once you hit next, all that information will go through and they will send a text as a receipt to your customer. I can close here. Now it's up to you whether or not you want to give them an agency receipt, but as I always mention, always offer to email or text them the agency receipt as well. So we can say that this was either paid in person or by the phone. And if they don't want a copy of the agency receipt, you can always save without printing. And that's it. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. And if you have any questions, give us a call at 828-245-1171.